Hey friends, if you wish to force a copy in Google Docs, Slides and Sheets, then please watch this video. Now, whether it is Docs, Slides or Sheets, the procedure remains same, so I'll show it on a doc file. You can try it on any other document. All you need to do is click on File and select Make a Copy and then select it, share it with the same people. If you don't want it, that's a different thing. Copy the comments and suggestions. This is all unchecked by default, and include the resolved comments and suggestions, and then click on Make a Copy, and it will make a copy and it will name it copy of so and so. You can change the name as well. Okay, so this is what you can do. Now, why are we making a copy? Why can't we just download and upload it? Because it has a lot of content that may be needed to be copied, and this is the right way to make a copy while keeping everything intact and at the same position. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.